So now we are gonna do a demo account for GSC Live. Okay, after you download, right, click on the app, and then you launch the MetaTrader 4. Okay, on the bottom right, these are all the tabs. You click on bottom right is this settings. You click on that, and then you choose new account right over here. Yes. So after you do that, open a demo account. Completed, you search, there's a search bar, search for Gold Silver Central. And then you select the Gold Silver Central demo. So fill in the required fields, your name, your phone number, your email, and then for the account type, it depends on what currency you like. You can choose it in USD or SGD. And then the deposit, you can put any amount you like, from 100K to 500K. So for this, we're going to select 500K. Okay. And once you press on register on the top right, you're done. The demo account is already set up and you can get started right away.